Good morning and a warm greetings on this occasion of Vasant Pachmi. Today we gather to celebrate the arrival of spring, the season of rejuvenation, and pay homage to Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of wisdom, knowledge, and art. Saraswati's blessings flow like a river, enriching our lives with every drop. Prayer to Saraswati brings clarity in our minds and helps us to make wise decisions. So let us take a moment to reflect on the importance of education and the role it plays in shaping our lives. Education empowers us, opens doors to new opportunities, and fosters a culture of continuous learning. As we celebrate Vasant Pachmi, let us pledge to nurture the flame of curiosity within ourselves and others. So now, I would like to invite Kavyanshi and Hiva onto stage.
And true wisdom is gold. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Sarika Ma'am, Aneem Ma'am, students, and my dear friends. I, Riva Chawla, on behalf of class UKG, welcome you for the assembly. Yes, definitely. लेकर फूलों की बहार आया वसंत का त्योहार, आओ हम सब मिलकर मनाइए त्योहार, दिल में भरकर उमंग और प्यार. Yes, definitely, my dear friends, we are celebrating Vasant Pachmi to remember Goddess, to pay homage to Goddess Saraswati. Now I would like to welcome our Principal Ma'am for lamp lighting.
Avinash ma'am.
For lamp lighting.
Let's have a very auspicious beginning. Yes, please. Put your hands.
Before we start again, can we start again? With this lamp lighting, we like to thank Goddess of knowledge for blessing us. We hope she blesses us with more and more success in life. Before starting the assembly, let's pray to God Almighty.
Thank you. Beautiful. Nice meeting you. Ridesh?
Shall Svarbhuteshu Vidyarupen Sansita Namastase 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 Namo Namah. Salutation to the Goddess Saraswati who bestows upon us the fearlessness of life in the form of knowledge and intelligence. Now my friends are going to share the importance of Vasant Pachmi.
Very nice. Very nice.
Is daughter of Lord Brahma. She is the goddess of knowledge, music and the arts. She is believed to bless people with the power of speech, wisdom and learning. Saraswati has 4 hands that correlate to the 4 aspects of human personality and learning. Intellect, alertness, mind and ego. In one hand she has the lotus, the symbol of true knowledge. In the other hand she has secret scriptures. With the other 2 hands she plays the song of life and love on the string instrument called the veena.
Wow. Wonderful, Swara. So proud of you. Very good, Yana. According to
Hindu mythology, Goddess Saraswati symbolizes constant flow of knowledge, music and art. Spring is the season when the rose, trees and plants are full bloom and grown with rains and flowers. People, especially the students, worship Goddess Saraswati with great devotion. That is celebration on the 5th of Spring. On this day, people wear yellow clothes and offer their to goddess with yellow flowers. Festival of Vasant Pachmi is also celebrated by worshipping Saraswati, who is considered as the goddess of wisdom. By snows, pinky rays, the flower fruit, leaves are growing on the trees, all the grass is turning green, scientists are your crops to see, bees is trying for the honey bee, the wind is gently blowing, spring is there, by snow. बसंत राय कोयल गाती कुहू कुहू बकरा करते हैं गुलजार रंग बिरंगी रंगों वाली तितलियों की है मौज बहार बाग में है चिड़ियों का शोर नाच रहा है जंगल में मोर नाचे गाएं जितना पर दिल मांगे once more. धन्यवाद. Springtime again, the flowers, the birds, and sunny again. It is springtime, springtime again. The kites and the bees are in the air. It's not cold out now, let's go out to play. Daisies and tulips, the sun is up, the sun is here. It is springtime, springtime again. Holy blessings with all the gratitude. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place to live in. Now my friends are going to present Saraswati Vandana as a tribute to Goddess Vasant.
No, no, no. From beginning.
Okay, change. Stop.
Edition.
To reflect, which goddess is worshipped as the goddess of knowledge, wisdom, and learning? Anyone from that side? Anyone from that side?
Who's going to answer? They
Ask again. Ask again. Now it's time to reflect. Ask again.
It's time to reflect. Which goddess is worshipped as the goddess of knowledge, wisdom, and learning? Anyone from that side? Anyone from that side?
Yes, Sanvi.
Goddess Lakshmi.
Saraswati.
Good job, buddy. Listen here. The hands of Goddess Saraswati. Anyone from that side? Anyone from that side?
Okay, question for you.
Which instrument is used in the hand of Goddess Saraswati? Anyone from that side? Anyone from that side?
Which music instrument?
Which instrument? Which instrument? Is it correct? Say it.
Good job, buddy. And what is the customary color of Vasant Pachmi?
Yellow. Everybody say yellow.
Good job, buddy.
Yes. And good job, you two, all of you. Very good.
The power of Kalidevan. I love first. May Goddess Saraswati bestow upon prosperity and also illuminate the globe and strive for more knowledge in us forever. Now, I would like to invite Cognitive Man to say a few words.
I think please invite Avinash ma'am to say a
Now, I would like to invite Avinash Man to say a few words.
Happy Vasant Pachmi to all of you. I hope you enjoy it. You UKG assembly. Now give a big round of applause for UKG students. Children, UKG UKG students, you perform excellent on stage. I would like to thank Nisha ma'am and Rima ma'am for your contribution. Thank you so much. Children, now I have a question for all of you. Hey, okay. Could anyone tell me where the picture of Goddess Saraswati is placed in our school? There is one in the AV hall, and there is another one. Where is the Saraswati? You know, it is near the music room, in the basement. Very good. Clap for everybody. And we all know that she is known to be a goddess of knowledge, wisdom, art, truth, and purity. No, you will speak after me. Okay, again, that is very important for all of us. Okay, she is known to be a goddess of knowledge, wisdom, art, truth, and purity. That is why we seek her blessing. आपने देखा? Did you see? We all of us, what we did? We seek her blessings, and we seek her blessing for education and learning. Okay, for education and learning. Yes, and we welcome. Which season we welcome on that day? Spring season. And now you will see blooming of flowers, crops, and ripening of fruits. Yes? Yes. Now, again another question. There is wonderful, have you seen the backdrop of this stage? Yes. What have you seen? One is Saraswati's, Goddess Saraswati picture, and the other one is kites. And people fly kites on Vasant Pachmi. And people wear which color? Clothes? Yellow. And I am sure you all have got something in your lunch. Yellow color? Yes. Yellow color कितने लेके आए हैं? Yellow rice. Yellow sweet rice. Yes, very good. So you will tell everything to your mama that why we celebrate Vasant Pachmi. Yes, children? Yes. And on Vasant Pachmi, you will wear yellow clothes, okay? And we will fly kites, and we will make something. Tell mama to make something yellow in food. Yes, dhokla is yellow color. Yes. Yes. Very good. Now, children, you are very intelligent. All of you are very intelligent. No, you know. Yes.
Silence here.
Yes. You are very intelligent. Now keep reading books, because you know in March you will have some exams, and then in April you will be going to another class. Yes. So when you will get few holidays, 14-15 holidays after your exam, what you need to do? Read the books. What you need to do? You will read books. Okay, children? Yes. And when you come in the April, I will ask everybody that which book did you read? Okay, you should know that which book you are reading. Okay, you can start from now also, but whenever you get the free time, always read books. Okay, children? Thank you, children, and I would like to thank Mrs. Manveen, Sarika ma'am. I know she is not here; she is very busy, and all the supporting staff, art teacher, music teacher, all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.